Hi, I'm Amy Cole, and I want to introduce you to my family. Come on over here. Here's my family. This is Mr. Cole. This is Emma Cole, and she's a big bad third grader now.
Hi.
This is Sam. This is Max. And this is Ben. And over there...
Over there is Uncle Mark working.
Uncle Mark working. Putting
Wave.
supplies away.
Wave.
Wave, Uncle Mark. I have actually a big problem that you have to help me with this year. You have to help me go through all of my books. We need to read all of them and decide which one's the best, because I just can't decide. I also love writing, and I've devoted a third of a wall to it, along with my other passions of Texas history and social studies. I think it's very important for you to build yourself up and build each other up as champions. There are several traits up on the wall that you can refer to throughout the year. My favorite one is for you to self-analyze. I know.
Yes, you can. You can do it. One. Okay. Hey, you can do this. Cut the giggles. Compose. Compose yourself. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, time is money.
I know that we are going to have a great year together this year.
I know that too. Tell something we don't know.
Yeah,
3,
I can't do
2, 1, go.
I have tears of joy
anticipation.
because I know we are going to have a great year this year.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. It's going to be a great year.
That's a wrap.